So it turned out to be a perfect game for Pakistan, not only winning the game comprehensively, but winning the series as well. So many congratulations to Salman Ali Agha and his men. In the presentation party, we've got Mr. Sumair Ahmed Sayyed, Chief Operating Officer, PCB, Mr. Naveed Gaba, CEO, Vigotel Mobile, Vigotel, Mr. Tahir Khurshid, Group Head Audit and Inspection, Bank Alfla, Mr. Khalid Ikram, Regional Direct Sales, Jazz, Mr. Anas Zafar, Head Sports Inverex EV Electric Vehicle, and Mr. Akbar Mumtaz, his board member, Super Saf. Welcome, gents. Sorry, there's one more name that I've sort of missed. Mr. Hafiz Sajid Mahmood, Director Production, Shampoo. Hello here, Shampoo. Of course, we say it so many times during live coverage. Right, the first award, may I invite Abrar Ahmed to please come forward and receive the PCB Moment of the Match Award from Mr. Sumair Ahmed Sayyed. Mr. Akbar Mumtaz will present the Super Saf Bowler of the Match, cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to Abrar Ahmed again. Mr. Akbar Mumtaz will present the Super Saf Dishwash Bar Striker of the Match, cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to Usman Khan. May I now invite Mr. Khalid Ikram to please come forward and present the Jazz Superpower of the Day, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Salman Ali Agha. A masterclass in T20 batting. Mr. Hafiz Sajid Mahmood will present the Hello Hair Shampoo 100% Confident All-Rounder of the Match, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Shadab Khan. Batted well, bowled well. Mr. Anas Zafar will present the Inverex EV Electrifying Batter of the Match, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Usman Khan. Produced a 50, batted so well at number 5. Mr. Tahir Khurshid to present the Bank Alfla Outstanding Performance of the Match, cash award of 1 lakh to Shadab Khan again. The couple of awards which we'll keep for later. May I now invite the Australian captain to please come forward, Mitch Marsh, and have a few words with us. Well, Mitch, bad luck. It turned out to be a tough gig tonight.
Certainly was. Well done to Pakistan. They've outplayed us in the first 2 games, so hopefully we can turn it around tomorrow.
Yeah, I mean, conditions obviously were difficult from Australian terms, but we needed to bounce back somehow.
Yeah, look, the series was still alive for today. But as I said, Pakistan certainly outplayed us. As when you lose, there's always great lessons you can take out of it, and hopefully we can implement them tomorrow and moving forward.
Yeah, all part of learning curve indeed, but anything that you feel that needs to be done much better? I mean, obviously today batting and bowling both became under pressure.
Yeah, look, I thought they put us under great pressure in the power play. It was probably a 160, 170 wicket, so again, fair play to the way they played. And then, you know, do have some experienced guys who know that partnerships are really important in run chases like that. We weren't able to do that today, so as I said, some really good lessons.
Okay, and a big hello to your dad. I played cricket with him, so better luck for the last one.
I'll tell Swampy.
All right, okay, cheers, thank you.
Okay.
Right, now it's Salman Ali Agha's time. Right, may I invite him to please come forward. First, sign the ball. Or the bat, I think. Mr. Naveed Gaba will present the Vigotel Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 3 lakh rupees to Salman Ali Agha. Well, Salman, many congratulations. Well, this is as good as it gets.
Well, it has to be a perfect game for us. We batted well in the power play. We finished well in the middle. We were outstanding. And when it's come to bowling, we were we bowled well in the power play, middle, and we finished the game early as well. And then fielding was outstanding. So I can easily say that it's a perfect game for us, and we want to replicate that tomorrow as well.
Well, the first bit of this interview is regarding you, not the team. We know that the team put up a great all-round performance, but what about that innings? I mean, it had everything.
That's why I promoted myself at number 3. We know we are going to face a lot of spin here and obviously in Sri Lanka. And I know I can dominate. I have a game like I can dominate in the power play. That's what I was trying to do, and it was a day just like everything come from the middle as well.
Yeah, I mean, everything worked so perfectly for you. I mean, 70 or 50 odd balls or whatever it was, but it had the aesthetics. It had the T20 ingredient as well, the tadka that we call in Urdu. It had everything, but more importantly, Usman Khan's not there. At number 5, to get a performance like that, you were hoping that someone will click at that position, and today he sort of produced a great innings.
Well, we know he's a very good player of spin bowling. To be very honest, I think he's probably the best player in our team right now against spin, and we knew his ability, and I knew that this kind of inning will come sooner or later, and I'm very happy for him. Hope he can continue like that, like in coming games as well.
Anything you want to fine tweak?
Well, I want to continue the way we are playing right now. I want to do that tomorrow as well. This is something I want from my team. We come tomorrow, forget this 2-0 now, we want to do 3-0.
What about the crowd? Is a house full?
They always have been outstanding. They come in numbers. When you play in Lahore, they're always like full house. And I'm very thankful for that. Hopefully they come tomorrow as well and we can entertain them more.
Fantastic. You entertained us today.
Thank you very much.
Well done. Well played. So that ends the match presentation as well.
Pakistan already winning the series 2-0, but tomorrow it will be third T20I, which starts at 3:50 p.m. local time. So join us then. For then, it is a goodbye from here.